The Industrial Revolution is happening now. Jobs, growth, efficiency, productivity, independence. American manufacturing is critical to our economic growth and global competitiveness. Manufacturing employs nearly 13 million workers in the United States, adds more than $2 trillion to the U.S. economy, and generates about 12% of the U.S. gross domestic product. Every dollar spent in the U.S. manufacturing sector generates up to $1.81 in other services and production. The U.S. Department of Energy's Advanced Manufacturing Office promotes American energy dominance, keeping the nation out front in sustainable and efficient manufacturing, where cutting-edge technologies and innovations are foundational to a growing, competitive economy and job security in the United States. The only such entity in the U.S. government, the Advanced Manufacturing Office, bridges the gap from laboratory to market by connecting manufacturers, not-for-profit entities, research organizations, and institutions of higher education to identify challenges, spur innovation, and develop cutting-edge materials, processes, and information technologies needed for an efficient and competitive domestic manufacturing sector. Since 2018, the Advanced Manufacturing Office has supported our partners with more than $180 million in funding opportunities designed to uncover the next big thing in manufacturing, the breakthrough that will help our partners stimulate technology innovation and improve the energy productivity of U.S. manufacturing. We pursue our goals through 3 subprograms: individual advanced manufacturing applied research and development (R&D) projects, pre-commercial advanced manufacturing R&D consortia, and technical partnerships. Industry benefits greatly by having access to world-class research experts at our 17 national laboratories, where researchers tackle critical scientific challenges at their specialized facilities. For example, at our manufacturing demonstration facility at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, we're working with private sector partners to develop additive manufacturing technologies, such as 3D printing, to produce stronger, lighter, and less expensive manufacturing parts and materials. We're also engaging with American innovators and entrepreneurs through federal prize competitions designed to help surface market-based solutions for some of our biggest energy challenges. And we have several manufacturing-related competitions that are focused on bringing energy training to energy innovators. The Advanced Manufacturing Office helps American manufacturers increase energy productivity while reducing emissions, industrial waste, water usage, and the life cycle energy consumption of manufactured products. We also promote a strong homegrown manufacturing base for domestic supplies of key products of importance. The bottom line is secure and reliable energy resources for national security. Let us help you achieve your manufacturing goals. Learn more at energy.gov/EERE/AMO.